What's going on, guys? It's Anthony with Jhuly's Aquatics and Gardening, and welcome back to another video. Today, I decided to try out a little project, and that is starting a fall container now. Now, why I'm doing this is because typically when I'm getting in the mood for fall plants, I am not in the mood to buy plants anymore, so I've had these seeds for quite some time, and I thought, I have potting mix, I have an extra pot, I've got seeds, let's put together a container. So I have just a mixture of zinnias and cosmos and nasturtiums, and I'm just gonna stick them in there willy-nilly. And oh, I've also got some marigolds. Forgot about those. So what I'm gonna do is just place them in the pot, cover them up, water them in, and then I'm gonna set this pot, which doesn't look so hot, into a decorative basket. Keep it out of my line of sight over the next couple of weeks until I am ready to display it. And I'm just gonna keep them pinched and do my best to not let them die, and if they do, I'll just start over. So I've got my homemade potting mix. A video is coming out on that next week. I moistened it with some rainwater, and now I'm willy-nilly sprinkling in some Osmocote. And then all I'm gonna do, guys, is stick my seeds in, water it in, and call it a day. Let me know if you've ever done one of these types of fall planters now kinds of things, and let me know how it turns out. I will be sure to give you guys updates and progress reports as the season goes on. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. I hope you enjoy the video, and I will catch you in the next one. Remember, in all things, give thanks and enjoy.